New rule in income tax related with payment to the vendors registered under MSME Act 2006. Means what is the new rule in the Income Tax Act related with the payment to the vendors who are registered under MSME Act 2016. In this video, we shall learn regarding this rule. So, let us start. According to the newly introduced section 43 43 subsection B clause H of the Income Tax Act 1961 through Finance Act 2023, if any person, any person means individual, company, firm, etc. If any person makes payment of tax invoice to any vendor who is registered under MSME Act 2006 after 45 days or 15 days, irrespective of the credit period, as the case may be, as the case may be, from the date of tax invoice from the date of tax invoice, then what shall happen? Then there shall be two situations. Number one, the payment shall be disallowed. Under which section? Under section 43B subsection, 43B rule H. The payment shall be disallowed in the financial year related with the assessment year when it is booked on accrual basis. Accrual basis. And number two situation, the payment shall be the payment shall be allowed as deduction in the financial year related with assessment year when it is actually paid. This section is applicable from current financial year, that is financial year 2023-24 related with assessment year 2024-25. You may note down this section is applicable from the current financial year 23-24, that is the assessment year 24-25. If we take a simple example, then we can say that suppose that Messrs XYZ Private Limited purchase goods rupees 10 lakh from ABC Private Limited, who is registered under MSME Act on 28 March 2020 and makes payment on 5th May 2024, which is under credit period. Here you should note down that the purchase has been made from a company ABC Private Limited, who is registered under MSME Act. Date of invoice is 28th March 2024. Payment has been made in on 5th May 2024, and that is under credit period. So as per the section 43 BH What shall be the consequence? Rupees 10 lakh shall be disallowed and added back in financial year 23-24 because it is not paid within that financial year. It shall be allowed in financial year 24-25 on actual basis.